Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wanted to start sending beautiful, effective emails but felt overwhelmed by all the options out there, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the basics of Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to send your very first campaign, you'll also understand how to organize your contacts and improve your results with Mailchimp's best beginner tools. So let's jump in together and get you ready to connect with your audience like a pro. First things first, you'll want to create your Mailchimp account and set up your audience. Signing up is straightforward. Just head to Mailchimp.com, hit sign up, and fill in the usual details like your email and a strong password. Once you're in, Mailchimp will prompt you to create an audience. Think of your audience as your master list of contacts, the people you want to reach with your emails. You can start by adding contacts manually, which is perfect if you only have a handful of email addresses and want to double-check them as you enter. But if you already have a list prepared, say in Excel or CSV format, you can import it directly, saving you time and reducing the chances of typos. Don't rush through this part. Carefully adding or checking your contacts means your future emails go to the right people from the start. Next up, you'll want to organize your contacts, and this is where Mailchimp's tags, fields, and segments come in handy. Imagine you've just met a bunch of new friends at an event. Some are interested in newsletters, some in promotions, and some want both. Tags are like little sticky notes you attach to each contact, marking their interests or where you met them. Custom fields let you add extra details like a birthday or company name, helping you remember who. Then segments act as your smart groups. For example, you might want to send a special email only to people who attended your last workshop. Creating a segment for that group means just a couple of clicks and you have your targeted list. Taking the time to set this up early will keep your email list organized, relevant, and effective as it grows. Now for the fun part, designing your campaign. Mailchimp offers plenty of templates. Think of these as the starting point for your email's look and layout. Don't worry if you're not a designer. You can just pick a template that fits your style, then use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to add text, images, and buttons where you want. It's like putting together the pieces of a puzzle, but with plenty of creative freedom. Be sure to update your brand colors, logo, and signature so your audience recognizes your emails at a glance. If it feels overwhelming at first, just keep things simple. Clean, readable emails almost always perform best. Once you're happy with your design, you're ready to send or schedule your campaign. Double-check your content, select your audience, maybe a segment you created earlier, and take a moment to review everything. It's easy to overlook a small typo or the wrong date in your subject line, so don't rush this. If your audience is spread across different time zones, consider scheduling your email instead of sending it immediately. Mailchimp lets you pick the exact time your campaign will land in inboxes worldwide. This little planning step can have a surprising impact on your open rates. The final step is tracking your results. After your email goes out, head to the reports section and keep an eye on stats like open rates, clicks, and overall engagement. These numbers might feel abstract at first, but they're gold mines of information. Did more people click your link to a blog post, or did they skim past it? Use these insights to tweak your next campaign, maybe changing up your subject line or adding a more eye-catching call to action. And that's it. You've learned how to set up your Mailchimp account, organize your contacts, design and send your first campaign, and even analyze how it performed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.